Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create work order template in Coda. So if you signed up to Coda, you get free workspace where you can create a new document. So in this case, you can use blank document, right? And for blank document, however, you can create your own table and add in the required columns, right? So let's say work order form, right? So here we use a forward slash then table, right? So for table, first column I can use job ID, right? Usually it should be a number, so you can edit in the column type that it is number. Next thing you can do is item description. So every job would have specific item, and for that you will have to write the description. Next thing, we are going to use quantity, right? So quantity should be a number, pure number. Then instead of notes, I'm going to add price. So quantity and price, and finally we'll add the total, right? So this has to be a number as well. So number, pure number. Then we add one more column, make it total, right? And for total, however, you can use add a formula option, and we make quantity multiplied by price, right? If we hit enter, that should go with the formula. Now we can put in some job ID, say 00120, right? So here we can say something like shipment A to B, just an example. So quantity of that shipment would be say 12, price of each will be say 2.99, so we can multiply that and total will be 35.88. Now here we can even add color, right? So you can add conditional format, make it a bit red or green if you want, right? Then we have quantity. This column I can make conditional format and have everything from say green to white. Then for this particular conditional format I can use orange, sorry, let's keep this one green, and for price let's go with orange, right? So we have that code there. Then we keep on adding our order form with the available job tasks in hand, right? So you can do this with Excel as well, even Notion and other. But if you're using Coda and trying to create work order form and build a tracker around it, you can even rename this, right? Should give you table view like this, right? You also have search at the top of the table for you to search once the table gets too bigger, right? So you get the idea how to create work order tracker in Coda.